Good morning, Global Neighbors. We're here today at the beautiful Corque Hotel in Solvang, California, and we're looking forward to showing you everything that you can enjoy if you decide to stay here.
The Corque Hotel offers you elegance and modern sophistication with a refined chic design in a boutique hotel setting. It's conveniently located in downtown Solvang, just steps away from all the bakeries, restaurants, and shops. Today we'll be sharing with you the King Mission Room, which is the one we chose to stay in.
There's 3 floors worth of rooms, and ours is on the top 3rd floor, the King Mission Room. It's a nice, beautiful, spacious room.
It feels really ample. They've made a really good use of the space. The couch is very comfortable.
The room comes with some nice comfy robes, which...
Super plush, super soft. That was really nice.
So that's a nice little amenity. And of course, it's got a nice spacious bathroom as well. Nice with glass shower and two vanities, 2 sink areas. Lots of space.
The mirrors in the vanities light up, so it's really perfect for, doing your makeup and all of that. So aside from the bathroom lighting, each mirror lights up separately. And on the women's side, I'm assuming, is an extra detail mirror, and that lights up as well. So that's really good touches here.
Yeah,
we really like it.
Really nice.
The bed is really comfortable. I had a pleasant night's sleep yesterday.
And there was a large TV which we enjoyed watching.
A 55-inch television.
That's nice.
And another really nice part of this bedroom is the desk area, because if somebody's on the couch or somebody's on the bed, the other person can be working away, doing everything that they need to do. And right next to the coffee machine too, which is pretty convenient for getting those hours in on the laptop, and then you got your refillable coffee right there. So we really enjoyed that. And of course the patio. We're happy that we have a patio and a balcony, and I don't know if you can tell here, but there's ample light being brought in.
And because of the mission property, you've actually got nothing over there. You're not looking at another hotel or something like that. So that's kind of nice, at least from
breathable space.
these rooms. It's open and breathable. You can see out to the mountains. It's a really nice view, quite relaxing.
And then when you just want to get to sleep, it's true blackout drapes. So there's no lights coming in. So let us tell you a little bit about the Corque. We love everything about it so far. The lobby is quite a sight to take in.
It's gorgeous with the chandelier made out of glasses,
wine
bottles and all kinds of things. It's beautiful there, and it's beautifully decorated in gorgeous, vibrant colors.
It's a nice open space with lots of seating options, a fireplace, a drink station that you can just refresh with some lemonades and different type of things. They also have a wine bar, so to speak.
Yeah, it's a self-service wine bar based on the room keys. So you get charged to your room. So that's something they're trialing at the moment, which is kind of interesting.
Scan your key and choose from, I think there's about 8 to 10 different wine selections there. And in the upstairs above the lobby is where you can find their small business center. They have 2 different computers and a printer there, so that's really convenient, as well as more seating and really nice views from the top to the bottom of the lobby. And then of course you have the receptionists, and everybody has been super nice, super friendly, super accommodating.
And it's pretty centrally located. There's a lot of the different bakeries and things are all within 5 minutes walking distance, so that's really convenient.
Yeah, yesterday we parked our car here and then went out to tour the town. We walked all over the place, went to their farmers market, went to some of their museums, and it was all within walking distance, and then we just walked right back, and we didn't have to worry about parking later on.
And for dinner, we were planning on going out to a restaurant, but after walking we felt a little bit tired, so we decided to have time in. They don't have room service per se, but they actually have a restaurant right next door that's associated with the Corque. It's not part of the Corque, but associated. And you can scan a barcode within your room. It'll pull up a menu and you can order, and it gets delivered to your room still. So it's almost like having room service, so not bad at all.
If you want to dine in, you could just walk. It's right across from the parking lot. The restaurant is right there, and that works too.
Now the Corque itself also has a heated pool, which is heated to 82 degrees, which is pretty good, all things considered. Some people like it a little bit warmer, but nonetheless...
But some people like it a lot cooler, so I think they've hit a good medium.
So overall, we've really enjoyed our stay here at the Corque.
Everything feels really new, really clean, really open, really nice. We highly recommend the Corque. And let us know in the comments below if you decide to stay here, which room you ended up choosing and how you liked it.
We look forward to hearing from you. We'll see you again soon.
On our next takeoff getaway.